A 32-year-old named He Yunling Hao, who has been residing in Canada since 2011, comes from a family in Nanjing that has lived there for generations. Over the years, he has collected historical materials and photographs to tell the local community about the history of the Nanjing massacre. After watching the film Dead to Rights, he was deeply moved.
中国也拍过很多的
China has produced numerous historical dramas, yet films addressing the Nanjing massacre and other related historical events remain scarce. To have a film centered on this theme provides an opportunity to shine a spotlight on this past, this brutal chapter of history, to the world through cinema. Similar to how Schindler's List depicted the suffering of Jews in concentration camps, this film offers a cinematic portrayal of Nanjing residents' own history. I believe this is an exceptionally valuable achievement.
Recently, Frenchman Marcus Dutroux handed over 618 historical photos collected by his grandfather during the Chinese People's War of Resistance against Japanese aggression at a ceremony held at the Chinese Embassy in France.
My family knew about these pictures. They never had the opportunity to talk about it, or neither did they have the courage to do it. Then in 2021 I found the pictures, and I didn't have the courage to show them right away.
The Shanghai Songhu Memorial Hall for the War of Resistance against Japanese aggression has incorporated the historical photos donated by the Dutroux into its permanent collection. 张梦圆 CGTN